Hi, I'm Mark from Lyre's, and I'm going to teach you how to make a signature Lyre's cocktail, the Italian Highball. If you like aperitivos and classic Italian Amaros, this is going to definitely be the cocktail for you. For the base of it, we're going to be using the Lyre's Italian Spritz, one of my favorites. On the nose, you get those classic Amaro notes of rhubarb and blood orange. This would go perfectly with Prosecco for a low alcohol option. Today we're going to go no alcohol. We're going to do it as a highball using tonic and soda. And we're going to start off with 60 mils of the Lyre's Italian Spritz straight into a highball glass. We're going to follow that with 60 mils of a premium dry tonic water. The reason why we're going to use tonic is because we do want a little bit of that dryness from the quinine that's in tonic water. And we're going to brighten that up just a little bit with 30 mils of soda. This is going to draw out the finish on the palate and give the drink a little bit of life. And we're going to top that up with a handful of ice. To garnish, I'm going to add in 2 lovely slices of orange. The little bit of juice that comes into the cocktail here from the orange itself is going to just brighten it up a lot. I'll give it a quick stir with a swizzle stick. I'm going to enjoy this one with a metal straw. One of my favorite cocktails to make using Lyre's. It's really fresh, it's really refreshing. The bitterness of the rhubarb in the Italian Spritz is fantastic, but it's really well balanced with some sweetness from blood orange. This for me is the perfect drink to have before a meal as an aperitivo, or if I'm catching up with friends on a Sunday. To view more recipes online and to shop the full range, head to lyres.co.